धन्यवाद डॉक्टर एम थंबी दुरई लोकसभा चैम्बर Dr. Thambi Durai.
Yes, Lok Sabha
please.
Chamber.
Yes, from Lok Sabha.
I am speaking from Lok Sabha Chamber. Sir, first of all, I want to convey our Honorable Health Minister as sumoto statement made in the House on 15th regarding this COVID pandemic. Sir, this is very high time because also we are assembled here. It is our responsibility to discuss and make confidence among the people that we are for eliminating this COVID soon, and that way we have to serve the people. Sir, to begin with, we have to be very grateful and proud and convey our gratitude to the brave frontline warriors of the battle against the COVID-19. It is very heartening to see that enormous and selfless efforts of our doctors, nurses, paramedical workers, lab technicians, hospital support service staff, revenue department people, home ministry people, and the innumerable volunteers and NGOs who have risen up to the occasion are dedicating themselves like the brave and valiant soldiers of the field. That is, we have to salute for them. Sir, the world does not know a single economy history that has been fully shut down and restarted. We are dealing with a problem of unprecedented proportions. Meeting the charges of pandemic requires big, huge stimulus, better coordination between the state and the central government. Because the state governments are more connecting with the people. Central government having a policy, but implementation is done by the state governments. That is why our Honorable Chief Minister, when he had a video conference with our Prime Minister on 11/8/2020, he said, Tamil Nadu provides effective medical treatment due to which the state has maintained a low death rate, which is now at 1.6%, one of the lowest in the country. As on date, 244,670 patients have recovered. Why I am telling means how the state government of Tamil Nadu is taking all the efforts, camping up, how many tests are conducting, and giving more importance, allocating more money. Till now, sir, if you take the amount, in Tamil Nadu, 14,878 crores we have spent for the COVID scheme, just controlling for that. In that 50% government, central government share is also there. I am denying that. But the state government has its own limitation to raise the funds. For example, if you take SDR is SDRF. In that, Tamil Nadu spent 1,864.6 crores, but central government has gone only 510 crores. This is where I am telling how the state government is suffering. Therefore, that is why we are requesting the central government has come forward to help. In that connection only, our Chief Minister also reinstated and requested the Honorable Prime Minister. We have received only 512.64 crores from the Government of India in two trenches and the emergency response and health system preparedness package out of envelope of 712.6 crores rupees allotted to Tamil Nadu. He also requested this package for the Tamil Nadu may be stepped up to 3,000 crores as per early request what he made. Both the central and state revenue will fall short of budget estimates. To make up the shortfall, Tamil Nadu may be allocated 9,000 crores rupees special grant to combat the COVID and its after the effects of the state economy. You know, sir, most of the members also raised about the GST. GST, we want whatever the arrears it has to be given to the states. But finance minister has a different opinion because due to the fund constraints, she may not be in a position to release all these things. But I request through you, sir, to convey our health minister This is very important thing. Therefore, ministry has to come forward to give the GST, whatever the arrears it has to be given to the state governments, then only it will be possible, sir. As we already fully exhausted the state disaster response and mitigation fund, therefore, Chief Minister requested an ad hoc grant of 1,000 crores rupees from NDRF immediately to fight the pandemic. Releasing pending of CMR subsidy, 1,321 crores rupees at this time will facilitate paddy procurement also. Therefore, I am telling, sir, most of our chairman, he said in his speech, the farmers are fighting for in spite of that production has increased. Therefore, it is high time to support the farmers also, because in spite of COVID, they are working very hard and producing more. Therefore, that has to be, therefore, I am requesting whatever the amounts has to be given, it has to be released, sir. And also, sir, our Chief Minister once again requested SDBI to provide at least 1,000 crores rupees as refinance facilities to Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation Limited from the RBI special package. This will help revive the MSME industries in Tamil Nadu also. Sir, why I am telling all these things, sir? See, we have our...
Please conclude. Dr. Thambi Durai, please conclude.
Sir, just now we started, sir. You are concluding means then COVID is not concluded, because COVID is there. Therefore, if I conclude, if at all finishing COVID, I am ready to conclude. But I have to...
Please. You always abide by time, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Thank you.
No, I am telling because...
we have paucity of time, and you know well than me. You have experience of running the House. Please conclude now.
Sir, again, I am telling, sir, this, I am appreciating what the central government is also taking efforts to do that. At the same time, state governments are very close to the public.
Thank you.
And therefore, I request them, central government, give sufficient funds to implement the program. Then only it will be possible, because they are close to the public. That is why Tamil Nadu government especially taken so much efforts to see in the one.
Thank you, Dr. Thambi Durai.
In India, death rate is less in Tamil Nadu because of the Tamil Nadu government has done so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
So many
I'm calling other speaker. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Honorable K.R. Suresh Reddy, you have only 1 minute left.